right, so this video is a continuation of the frequently asked questions section. So I jumped over to my Buffalo location, and you can see there's 17 questions here. So I don't want to ask a question, rather I want to go in here and I want to answer the questions. So there's some in here with answers already, but let's say what is included in a standard cleaning. So we're going to go ahead and answer that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to my website, and I'm actually going to grab what is included in a standard cleaning so that I can actually take it right from the website and put it in here. Okay, so let's go grab this. So in the kitchen, you put this, bathroom, and then of course I'm going to fix it when I'm done. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say at made for time house cleaning, these are the items. Can't see this.